Kenzie's Corner with Jim Kenzie.
Now, this may look like a cemetery to you, but to a policeman with a radar gun, this is a fishing hole. Now, no amount of rationalization is going to convince me that having a cop sitting here at 3 in the morning is doing anything for traffic safety. Now, the police tell us that, well, the sorts of people they catch speeding at that time of the day are the same sorts of people that are doing bad things on the roads that cause accidents. Well, to me, that's like saying most prostitutes wear short skirts, so let's arrest every woman wearing a short skirt. Now, some police departments are taking a broader view of the situation. My friends at the Ontario Provincial Police, for example, are involved in a program called Spring Tune-Up. Officers are patrolling one stretch of freeway in metropolitan Toronto, nailing people for tailgating, lane changing, and occasionally speeding. But no radar is involved. They're actually getting out into traffic and catching the real bad guys. So, Police Forces of Canada, my suggestion is throw away your fishing poles or your radar guns and get out there and catch the real bad guys. I'm Jim Kenzie.
When motoring launched in 1988, it was only found on TV. Not anymore. We have a robust website with the best auto journalists in the country. Our Facebook, where the only topic of conversation is cars, and where it's easy to win cool swag. YouTube, which boasts 30 years of archives at your fingertips, including complete episodes. Cool shirts, right? For the first time ever, we're selling them. Google Motoring TV Shop to get yours today.